How to right click on laptop without mouse. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now there are actually two ways you can achieve this, and the first one would be to hold down your shift key plus your F10 key, and that is a right click. Now, just in case you don't know what the shift key is and the F10, I'm showing this right now on my screen. So you hold them together at once, and then guys, that is a right click. Now the second method would be you clicking on the menu key, and that would be a right click. Now, just in case you don't know what a menu key is, my mouse is currently on it. Now once you tap on that, that is also a right click. And guys, this is how easy it is to right click without using a mouse. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.